Either way, it's gonna be fine. Oh yeah.
Huntress. I'm feeling it. Huntress is the one.
Let me get this red here right quick. What's this one gonna be? This is gonna be the meat hook. Sentient meat hook. All I just want is one fucking item. And no enemies are goddamn spawning. Spawn enemies. I'm trying to get somewhere. Thank God. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's really good. I just need to burn. If you come across a burn thing, I'm a burn.
Alright.
I'm about to come get it. And then I'm gonna hit up the teleport. Don't know where it is, but somewhere. Hey.
Ooh, equipment terminal.
Oh, that's good for both of us. That's how you get up.
Healing tooth, cautious slug.
I heard that drop. I knew that you had bought it. Okay. Heavy damage. Crowbar, that's it. That's not all that amazing. Oh
that
yeah, I feel that boost. I feel that boost in my lungs. Okay, did it.
You grab one, I grab the other?
Yeah.
Heal cell?
Next stage, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go straight teleport and not worry about no items, no nut.
Okay, with the ballista, I really like Huntress.
Okay, time's not moving here, so we got time. We can chill, we can AFK, whatever. I came here for one thing. Also, I want to get a good stage. Oh yeah, I see some good shit. That's crap. That's pretty decent. Ooh, that's almost, that might be get rid of your 3 items for. That green, I might, if I were you.
Why?
Because it's good.
Oh, it only takes white items?
Yeah, your 3 white items are gone, but you get something better.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, do you want the thing that auto uses your equipment? And reduces its cooldown by half?
Yes, because it busts both of us.
Yeah, it does. That's exactly what I was thinking.
And if we have any more fuel cells, if you don't have anything like super amazing, you can give it to me and that buffs both of us.
Hey, do you want another one?
Yep.
Hell yeah. This cooldown's about to be rocking.
Security? I'll take that. Oh, check bus.
No, we don't rest the teleport. Find the teleport as quickly as possible. I'm gonna hit up the actual new altar. There's a thing there. You want it? You want it? Okay, it's teleporter time.
Are you activating it right now?
I mean, once I find it. Oh, plasma shrimp. You want that?
Ooh, I have a cola thing. Just cola, it's, does it only take whites or what?
Cola?
I don't have any white.
You don't have a white. Oh, dude. Lens Maker's glasses? Let's go. Oh, dude. Oh, dude.
The Poggin?
And not great, but not bad.
Did you take a tonic?
Yeah, might have. For the extra damage boost and shit.
So, you have tonic plus my little frenzy boost.
My tonic only affects me though. But your frenzy boost affects me as well. Might as well get some crit. Fuck it.
Alright, if you find any ATGs, let me have those.
ATGs, I got you.
Yeah, I was trying to gamble my money.
Yeah, I saved you from the gamble.
Well,
Okay,
it only gets the experience anyway.
Right, this is where I shit my pants. Because we may not get the right stage. And if we ain't got the right stage.
Ice. We need ice, right?
We didn't get the right stage.
Yes.
Hey, also, if you want to get your own tonic, feel free. I can get you a tonic.
No, it replaced my frenzy. Can't do that.
So here's the problem. We can either go to the wrong map, Or we can go to the other wrong map. Or we could gamble by just going to the portal and hope we get the third map.
What do you mean? Because it only spawns on a certain map?
Well, yeah, the thing we need only spawns on one map on stage 3. Is it gonna be it? No.
Nope.
Also, watch out for the little pods. Those bugs will poison you. So basically, here's the deal. You can take as much literal time as you want. Go crazy. Hey, I'm like fucking one-shot shit out of this bitch. Do I go shield? Who am I kidding? You could definitely do better than Goron's Opus, realistically, but Goron's Opus is really good. Underrated in my mind.
It's buffing both of us, so I don't mind it.
Yeah, that's the cool thing about it. Buffs everybody. So I think I just saw another Luna item. I'm down. I'm gonna be half all Luna. Now maybe I didn't see a Luna. Nope, I saw a Luna. You ain't hiding from me, boy. I didn't see a Luna. I'm an idiot. Yes, I did. I'm not an idiot.
Oh, fuck. No. Actually, no. This works. That's fine.
It's fine. That's not gonna hurt nobody. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pick up a Defiant Gouge myself.
It's more enemies, which means more money, which
means quicker loot getting.
I hate this map. It's ugly.
Ugly. What's Sulfur Pools? Imagine how it smells.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that because I don't have to.
Yo, I found a Lunaclone.
I could probably use it. I'm below 20.
There. I say you get that Lunaclone and mosey on out to you.
Where's that?
Kobe.
Oh my god.
Yes, sir.
Because of your glass? Your shit glass?
Yeah. I didn't even need to pop tonic on that one.
But you have like so little health though.
Yeah.
I don't do burn though.
Well, I mean, I don't do burn either, but maybe you will. Also, that's one of the best equipment you can get for damage. God damn. I'm gonna see if I can't find that red. Teleporter's up there. Seeds up there. Shroom. You can kindly, not so kindly, fuck the fuck off. Oh yeah, dude. Oh man. I'm prepared to go all in on armor piercing round. Yes, sir. And at the end of the day, we're just trying to kill Mitchell. Never mind. I died. Like a dumbass. There's an item there for you, though.
How'd you die?
Mushrooms, a bunch of them. Fucked me up.
Sorry, I activated the silent combat. I could use a movement. You tell me a lightning bolt did not kill his ass?
No. But yeah, my item that I dropped as I was free right now. Also, should probably go with that Void Seed.
I think if we're gonna do a playthrough, you need to be captain, and I don't know.
You just want 3 items, don't you?
Well, yeah, it'll help our run. What do you mean?
I mean, you're not wrong.
I'll probably play Artificer and just float around.
But, so, oh, you see that branch in front of you that you're looking at?
Yeah.
You want to get up on that thing. Once you're up there, you want to head straight up and to your right. Oh yeah, what are your options?
A ukulele on the left, corrupted.
Ukulele. Not even gonna go further. Yeah, baby. Probably gonna be like 3 grand. Exactly what I fucking told. There's some enemies. Just look at them and let your lightning do the work.
Oh god, what the fuck is that?
That's slime. That raid. Let's see what this raid is. Alright.
A void touch mushroom. Oh my god, you gotta be taking the piss.
Yeah. Okay, in that tunnel. Naughty boy.
What about the elite on the map?
The elite on the map? What do you mean?
The red. The $10,000 chest that spawns pink mushroom.
You did the gold chest.
Last time it spawned right there.
Well, yeah, it spawns in different places. Ooh, that's dangerous game right there.
Oh my god. Yeah. I'm gonna just... I don't know where the teleporter is. Well, time to die.
We'll see. I've faith in you.
Oh my god, that is scary.
And something else. I would wipe him out in seconds if I were still alive. Sadly, I ain't. Also, make sure that you can charge the teleporter too. There's nothing currently there, so it's easy pickings.
Oh my god, a corrupted stone type. What the fuck, man?
Yeah. That's what the void does to them motherfucker. You saw what it did to me. I'm void type technically. Kinda, sorta.
My plasma shrimp's keeping me alive.
As long as you have that shield, that means PSG, Transcendence, or Godlike on it. As long as you can have a shield up, which is easy to do with more shield, you're good. You can plasma shrimp all day.
They're low? That means...
Make sure you don't get too close to them.
Okay. Huggers in chat, huggers in chat, huggers.
Those fucking mushrooms are fucking contact. I hate those mushrooms so much.
Dead.
But